Volcanoes are violent, unpredictable, and absolutely essential. Without them, Earth would be a cold, barren world. Today, we explore why volcanoes are not just destructive forces, but one of the main reasons life exists on our planet. Volcanoes begin deep underground. Earth's mantle is constantly moving, pushing tectonic plates together and pulling them apart. When pressure builds, molten rock, magma, finds its way to the surface. This simple cycle has shaped Earth for billions of years. Most of Earth's crust was born from volcanoes. They built the first continents, raised islands from the ocean, and formed the mountain ranges we see today. Every piece of land you've ever walked on exists because of ancient eruptions. Volcanoes also created our atmosphere. The gases they released, water vapor, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen, helped form the air we breathe and the oceans that cover our planet. Earth's climate has always been shaped, at least in part, by volcanic activity. Volcanic minerals enrich soil, making it some of the most fertile on Earth. Regions near volcanoes grow forests, crops, and ecosystems that wouldn't survive otherwise. Life thrives on volcanic ground, from tiny microbes to entire civilizations. Of course, volcanoes are dangerous. Ash is made of pulverized rock. Pyroclastic flows move faster than cars, and eruptions can change entire landscapes. But even their destructive power is part of the planet's natural evolution. Volcanoes reshape Earth, renew ecosystems, and make life possible. They are reminders that our planet is alive, constantly changing, constantly creating. Volcanoes aren't just forces of destruction. They are engines of life.